you like it? No, 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 no!
Gee, ew. Smells like nerd farts.
Guys, what are you doing here?
Me? Just killing time before my phone interview with Posh Dainty Bottom for my gossip blog.
No, we came to wish you luck on your first day at Nerd Towers.
Oh, great
Boy, we never meant to get you fired. We were just looking out for the birds.